How to use Google AI Studio for voice generation tutorial 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio for voice generation step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. Now, sign in with your Google account if required. Step 1. Access the Voice tool. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the text-to-speech or audio generation feature. Click on it to get started. Step 2. Enter your text. Now, type or paste the text you want to convert into voice. Make sure your text is clear and properly formatted for better results. Step 3. Choose Voice Settings. Next, select Language, Voice Style, and tone or speed if available. Try different options to find the best voice for your project. Step 4. Generate audio. Now click on the Generate button. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your request. Step 5. Preview and download. Once the audio's ready, click Play to preview it. If you're satisfied, click Download to save the file. Bonus tip: how to fix no audio generated error. If you face issues, refresh the page, switch your Google account, try shorter text, change voice or language. And that's it. Now you know how to generate AI voice using Google AI Studio in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.